Do, 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 do. Hi guys, just gonna show you my brand new toys that I got today. This is called pendulum. I wanted to play with pendulum for a while because I want to learn how to do SRT, something spiritual response therapy. But then I wasn't sure what kind of spirit that I'm channeling to. And I always thought, what if it's like a Ouija board and you might channel some devil, evil, whatever. So I was hesitate to play it until I realized that this is just a way for you to talk to yourself. You should always trust yourself, trust your higher self. But it's nice to actually see this guy say yes and no for you. You don't have to buy a proper pendulum like this. It is basically a string and weight. So you can even do it with, let's say, a dental floss. Really just random. You could just even do, dental floss, and then with my engagement ring, that will work too. So you can also say, put it down, and you can can you give me a yes? I'm not moving, and then it will give me a yes. So my yes is kind of like a, what was that called? Clockwise movement. Can you give me a no, please? Thank you, pendulum. What is my no? So my no is like a left and right. Yeah, so you don't have to use a pendulum. You can use anything. So I practiced with just normal necklace for a while until I just thought, this is so pretty, right? So how'd you do it? So let's show you. So let's say you have this pendulum layer now and you just floppy, let it flop and reset. And most of the time, usually it's about intention. So you're gonna know your sign every time. So let's say again, give me a yes, please. So I'm not moving. Ideally, because I'm now holding it quite high up, so I could get really tired. My shoulder could get tired. So when I should do it, I might lean my elbow to a table or something, so I'm not getting tired. So, okay, sorry. Give me a yes again, please. Okay, so my yes is a clockwise. Can you give me a no, please? Hello, can you give me a no? So I'm not sure what is going on here. So sometimes you give me a yes and no. So let me just see what you can do as well, because it's a brand new pendulum. I got it only for a few days, so I have to cleanse it. So what you do is I've been actually putting it next to me on my desk side, so it kind of get used to my vibe, my vibration. What I also can do is I use sound wave to cleanse it. So cleanse it. Doing the whole thing. And I can also cleanse it with my Oregon. So this is a really cool Oregon with citrine and some other goodies about money. And I even have a golden flower of life here. So when I get stuck, I can just throw my question, my problem onto this, and then I would put it on top and do a bit of cleanse. So it's about intention. So I would maybe meditate a little bit and just empty space out and just let them do the work. And I would also do sage. So I might burn the sage and then use the sage smoke to cleanse it. I'm not doing it now because I might burn my office. And I can also use crystal, and I'll put them all into my favorite crystal, the pink one, the white one, the purple one, and then so I get my vibe. And I would also do it with essential oil. So let's say frankincense. I keep saying what was that called again? Frankincense. Yeah. So that it's like a spiritual oil, doTERRA, and then I would kind of put it there, and then I'll just through my intentions, I cleanse it. Thank you, and cleanse the energy. And if you want, if you have enough, just show me, and you change the direction when you have enough, bathing time, right? So let's say I've done all of that for a few days, and it takes a lot of practice to, kind of get how to talk to this guy. So let me just try again. So it could be because my arm's tired, right? So, hello, pendulum. Give me a yes, please. Okay, what is my yes? Okay, I think this is like anti-clockwise, my yes. All right, thank you very much. Pendulum, can you now give me a no, please? What is my no for today? Okay, my no is like a up and down movement. So I can test it with, sometimes you can ask question, you can use statement, but mainly it's yes and no answer, and don't think about the answer because you might influence it. So I might even ask, am I any way influencing my answer right now? Okay, that is a no, up and down. Now, my name is Lowena. Yes, no, my name is Lowena, my name is Lowena, my name is Lowena. Okay, circle again. And my name is Stephen. My name is Stephen, my name is Stephen. Okay, up and down, so I'm not Stephen. You can also test it with stuff. So let's say I got this lavender oil here. So you can put it there, and then you can ask, this is lavender oil, this is lavender oil, lavender. So this is like a true statement, so it's true. Lavender is true, so I have a yes. And I would now say, this is Vegemite, this is Vegemite, this is Vegemite. Okay, so up and down, no, this is not a Vegemite. So then now, you connect it, you're ready to talk. So you can ask simple question. So don't ask question like, is my boyfriend cheated on me? Like something like that. Or you can ask. But you're gonna be able to handle the answer if you can say yes. So I'll probably say, is coaching good for me? Yes. I would say, is being a money coach good for me and others? Well, that's a big yes. I would say, how about if I be a spiritual coach to help people awakening and go to the 5D world? Still a yes, I'm still turning. And what else should I ask? Should I eat more broccoli? Oh, yeah, okay, I'll eat more broccoli. How about, should I eat more chocolate? Okay, chocolate is okay. Not too bad. What about, is any bad food? I can't remember. Should I eat some more McDonald's? Not up and down. Don't eat McDonald's. Should I, is that good for me to become a vegetarian? No? Oh, phew. So I can still eat meat. Yeah, have fun. That's my pendulum. And if you want me to do more video on, let's say, I don't know, if you want me to ask question about myself or yourself, or if you have any problem that you want to ask, I can connect with you and I can read your Akashic record. Only if you approve. I cannot just open Akashic record and read for you. What is Akashic record, you may ask? Good question. So everything that we do, we think, we act in this lifetime and in every lifetime, is all recorded in your subconscious mind in a cloud base. And that cloud base library is called Akashic record. It's massive, I think. It just said every single thought, every single action, every single whatever is all in Akashic record. And I can tap into your Akashic record by asking the library guard to let me open your book of life, your life of book. Yeah. And so you can ask question and then I have to do some woo-woo weird energy cleansing and also connect with you, and I need to get your approval. I cannot just check my mother's Akashic record and my dad's Akashic record, my ex-boyfriend Akashic record. I just can't do it. So I could use this guy with the Akashic record, and yeah. So that's it. If you like it, give me a comment, share, like below.